Hey guys, it's Monica. You're watching Customized Close-Up, and I'm here today to walk you through all these amazing products that FabFitFun has in our summer box. All members are able to pick between these 3 items, and I'm gonna give you an up-close and personal look at each of them. And if you're not a member, you can still join now at FabFitFun.com. I'm imagining a graphic on screen. FabFitFun.com, FabFitFun.com. And before I even get started on any of these, just be sure, okay, do it right now. Just hit like, comment throughout the video, subscribe if you feel moved to, and let's get started diving right into the Burn 60 resistance bands. These are so light. And I know this is also like the light resistance one, but I mean that they're literally light, like they're not even a pound, and it just makes it so much easier when you're traveling. If you go to FabFitFun TV, they actually have fantastic videos with actual professionals who can show you these workouts, show you the proper form. This isn't that, this is customized close-up. They come with 3 different bands, different stretchiness levels, different tensions, and that gives you the ability to just mix and match the bands to get the workout that you actually want. Summer is coming. Hit the spots you want to hit, get as fit as you want to be, and just like lean into summer with the confidence knowing that you had your fitness kick ahead of time and you're really feeling ready to hit the waves, hit the beach. Up next, Odeme's What a Pair silicone wine glasses, set of 2. These are literally my favorite products of all time, not just in this box, but like quite possibly maybe in my entire history of being a FabFitFun subscriber. They come in clutch for a pool party like nothing else, all right? You know you're not supposed to really have glass by the pool for obvious reasons. This is not glass. It's squishy and it's fun and it's cute and it's so great, and I think for me, when I'm going to the pool, I'll bring these, but I'll also bring my rosé. It tastes like rosé. And last but not least, because it's fabulous, I'm gonna talk to you about the Zeuner Star Double Necklace. Jennifer Zeuner, okay, like as a designer, look, I've seen her stuff in Neiman Marcus, Saks. She's fancy. It's yellow gold plated, 18 inches long, but there are 3 different little jump rings, and you can, choose to wear it at the 16-inch mark, the 17-inch mark, the 18-inch mark, and that really gives you 3 different ways to wear this necklace. This is so gorgeous, but wait till you see what it actually looks like on me, okay? So that about wraps it up for this episode of Customized Close-Up. My name is Monica. It's been real. If you've loved what you've seen, go to FabFitFun.com/customize to sign up and pick your items. It closes May 15th, so don't miss it. Do not miss the date. Don't miss out on this box. Mwah. Enjoy, glow, go.